everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti and
Shruti, what's up, Joe?
what's up? What's up?
What's
How
up?
you doing?
I'm loving your hair today. Like they're fully on point. Like the
Thanks,
curls
yeah.
have come out so nice. Perfect.
One must just say thanks because you never know how they
On
turn
good
out.
hair days,
Yeah,
just quietly thank the universe and say
yes.
very good, and move on.
Curly hair problems, curly girl issues. Anyway, so by the way, a lot of people keep asking me like, "What's your curly hair routine and all?" I'll link.
I think
I think I'll
no,
link.
you should create a whole routine. Like, one of those beauty influencers, create like a whole routine and just like release that. I think that's a very good one.
I think I'll
I
be
would love to
terrible
watch
at
it, like
those
the
kind
whole
of
thing.
things. Really?
That's half the fun of it, no?
Oh God,
But
I'll be
you like
horrible.
see your your technical aspect will be perfect. Max, you'll be like, little like clumsy and dropping things here and there, which will be so fun to watch. So I think you should just do it. And then
Yes.
link whatever you need to link. But like, yeah. How many of you agree with me? Don't you think she should do it? Like just vote. Vote right now.
I don't know if I'll do that, but I'll at least tell you all what products. I don't use that many, but jo do teen hai, I'll tell them. You know, I'll do
Meh,
that.
it'll be more fun
Okay,
to
okay,
watch
we'll
you do
see, we'll
it.
see. It's just I don't know, like me with like
Uh,
sloppy, wet hair, doing my routine will not be fun on camera. I'm telling you. Anyway, let's move on. So listen, we are this
mm,
one released the BTS quite like a few days after our recording day, so we are
correct.
only getting to it like almost a week later. But
Yeah.
in this past week, have you heard Chal Chaliye again at all?
Not the original, but I did land up watching a few covers, and the covers are mind
They
blowing.
are very
Like
nice
people are doing
covers.
such amazing stuff with it,
Yeah,
right? Like,
yeah.
I'm just like, wow, ये तो बहुत ही amazing. Like it's just sounding very good.
It's
In
sounding
cover
like,
versions, so I'm really liking it even more. Like,
huh,
like बहुत
okay.
अच्छा sound कर रहा है. हाँ.
Yeah,
But past whole week, generally, I've been a little busy, so I've not landed up listening to a
sat
lot of
and
music
listened.
anyway.
Yeah, okay.
हाँ.
I actually sat and heard this song like 4 5 times on
अच्छा.
loop just because I
हाँ.
wanted to like I was wondering, I was like, did we miss something? Did we like, I don't know.
Hmm.
And I just honestly, like, I just came to the conclusion that it is an older cool uncle slash just an older figure in a girl's life who is kind of
Hmm.
someone who's seen life and who's also giving her things like, ये सब चीजें पुरानी हो गई हैं. I want you to go out and explore the world. And like the one very like strong factor that stayed with me, which is something I say a lot as well, which is, any like as elders we need to give the younger generation roots to make like to ground them and wings to let them fly as well, and
Hmm.
both are equally important. So I feel like this
Yeah.
song was kind of like that kind of a messaging from an elder voice to a younger voice. And I found one instrument that really stood out to me. I still don't know what instrument it was, but maybe it'll come to us in the BTS. But overall I feel like that's what I took away from the song. And then when we were interpreting it, because I watched it while editing and later as well, we were a little bit in different minds. So that's why I felt like I want to listen to it again to try and figure out if I
Hmm.
missed something. But ठीक है, अब
Right.
BTS में हम सब सारे questions answer हो जाएंगे हमारे. These
Correct.
were just my thoughts over the past week. So
Hmm.
let's get to it, shall we?
Ooh, let's do.
चलो, 1 2 3 play.
फरहीन को ना ये कोरस जो लिखा हुआ था, चल चलिए हो ना दिया दे उस पार, उसको मैंने जब सुनाया, शी ब्रोक डाउन. फिर जब उसने गाया भी वो पार्ट, ये उसी के लिए है, ये फीलिंग उसी की है. आप कोई भी काम करते हो ना, आप ऑब्वियसली अगर वो चीज़ को दिल से नहीं निकलेगी या डीप जगह से नहीं निकलेगी तो वो लोगों तक कनेक्ट नहीं करती. मैं ना एक दिन वैसे ही बैठा म्यूज़िक बनाने, अपने दिमाग में वर्ल्ड बिल्ड कर रहा था ना, वो एक कामिंग, एक फुल ऑफ ट्रैंक्विलिटी एक दुनिया थी. यूजली ना हम सबकी लाइफ्स ऐसी ज़रूर हैं कि जहाँ हर वक्त किसी ना किसी किस्म का शोर है, कभी एक्सटर्नल है कभी इंटरनल है. अगर आप एक्सप्रेस कर सको उसको किसी भी फॉर्म में ना, तो वो आपके लिए थेरेपी होती है.
Something about the song feels very like liberating.
It is,
freeing.
yeah. That idea of liberation needs to come from our older generation as well. That needs to change.
You know, like I heard it and I felt like just like a weight was lifted off my chest.
कब से रखी हुई है इसके तुमने?
काफी पुरानी है.
मैंने अपने पहले स्केचेस इस पे प्रैक्टिस किए थे क्योंकि मैंने फैशन पढ़ा हुआ नहीं था, स्केचिंग तो आती नहीं थी मुझे।
Oh, wow.
मुझे तुम नजर से मुझे याद है जुनैद जमशेद, जे डॉट, उनका भी ब्रांड है और उनके स्टोर्स थे, और फिर शाहिद अफरीदी का भी था और अबरारुल हक का भी था। I was like, I am a designer and I have a voice, so I'll just become a singer and I'll become famous and I'll have my own brand. So that was the plan.
So cute.
मेरे लिए हमेशा फैशन और म्यूजिक हमेशा साथ में होते थे, दोनों में कहीं ना कहीं एक स्टोरी टेलिंग का आंसर आता है। आई थिंक आपको प्यार होना चाहिए उस चीज से, कुछ भी हो, यू शुड लव इट, फिर ही वो चीज भी आपको अपनाना शुरू कर देती है, वो कुछ भी हो जिंदगी में।
सारे एरर्स देखे होंगे और उस टाइम पे हर चीज़ का फर्स्ट स्टेप आपका होता था। तो मैंने बोलो बोलो सुना था, मैंने कहा यार ये गाना है और वो वापस लकी इनफ कि हम जब बैंड हमारा था हम तो बजाते भी थे ईपी के टाइम पे ना। सो आपने बहुत लोगों की ना लाइफ एक्चुअली बदली है।
मैंने देखा है कि एकदम स्टार बनना क्या होता है। लेकिन मेरे में हवा कभी भरी नहीं, तो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में इसको आदत के तौर पे रखा है अपने काम को। और मैं आज भी वैसे ही हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शोशा का कायल नहीं हूँ। मैं जैसे बातें करता हूँ मैं वैसे ही गाता हूँ, मैं वही गाता हूँ जो मैं सही समझता हूँ। बस वो यही मेरा है और मैं शायद ऐसे ही रहूँगा, मुझे लगता है ऐसे ही रहूँगा।
इट्स हैपनिंग।
कुछ अर्से पहले मेरे पास आया जुल्फी और उन्होंने कहा कि मैं एक पूरी स्पीच तैयार करके लाया हूँ। मैंने कहा स्पीच किस बात की? उन्होंने कहा कि आपको कन्विंस करने के लिए मुझे एक पूरा मैटर बनाना पड़ता है। सबको पता है कि मैं अपने गाने बनाता हूँ और अपनी मर्ज़ी से लिखता हूँ, अपनी मर्ज़ी से कुछ आइटम सोच रहा होता हूँ। लेकिन इनका एक विजन था, उन्होंने कहा कि इस दफ़ा ये आइटम है जो आपने सोचना है, आपके अलावा कोई भी ये आइटम नहीं कर सकेगा, फिर हम कोई और आइटम कर लेंगे अगर आप नहीं करेंगे तो।
सजाद भाई ट्रमेंडस गाते हैं, ब्रिलियंट गाते हैं। उनका जो रियल आपका ना स्किल है वो है कॉन्वर्सेशन विद पीपल। द सिंपलेस्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव इज़ अ यूनिवर्स इन इटसेल्फ। उसको एक्सप्रेस करना ना सबसे शायद मुश्किल काम होता है। सजाद भाई में ये है, उन्होंने एक एक चीज़ जो उसमें लिखी इज़ फुल ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल विस्डम।
This was the first time that I performed with the whole ensemble. That was also really nice to see everybody. क्योंकि यूजुअली एक चीज़ इतनी ग्रैंड होती है या पूरी कंप्लीट मुकम्मल हो जाती है तो आप उसको नहीं देखते कि कितने ज़्यादा लोगों की कितनी मेहनत और कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं। कभी एक वो उसमें जब बीन का पार्ट आता है और वो बहुत छोटा सा पार्ट है, बट वो इतना उसमें डेप्थ ऐड करता है पूरे गाने में।
क्या वैसे मज़ा आ गया। लवली लवली।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shabi Ali. I'm a singer, songwriter, producer, and this is my first time on Coke Studio.
उनकी ना सारी फैमिली इज़ इमेंसली टैलेंटेड। मेलोडी उसने बनाई गाने के लिए और वो ये थी ना 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 ना। फरहीन की जो मेलोडी है वो उसने बनाई। वो हम कर रहा था एंड वी ऑल थॉट कि यार ये ज़बरदस्त बात है।
काफ़ी मज़ा आया उसमें and I am now playing synths on the song. I'll be doing like boom, boom, boom. That's me. And I'm harmonizing as well.
Oh, that.
गार्डन की स्पेस है। ये फरहीन की बैल्कनी है और ये म्यूजिशियंस हैं जो स्लैश ट्रैवलर्स भी हैं।
So Chal Chaliye was I think it was one of those songs which took us probably the longest to crack in terms of the visual. Because वो गाना इतनी चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर रहा है. So it needed to be abstract, but it didn't need to be simple. मैंने एक जगह एक पढ़ी थी चीज़, मुझे नहीं पता वो सच था या ख्वाब था, पर जो भी था मैंने बहुत अच्छे से जिया। और ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट बन गया था इस गाने का, कि जो स्पेस है आपकी, उसमें एक नॉस्टैल्जिया भी है। We have people who are dressed in current clothes. We have people who are dressed in slightly पुराने ज़माने टाइप के कपड़े भी हैं।
I've been wearing sarees for like 10 years, so this is your favorite, the other side of history.
ये वो बात ही ऐसी है कि it's generational. The set also needed to be something which talked about multiple times.
बचपन में इसको तोड़ के इसको काट के ना ये तो इसमें फ्लावर्स का वो करके ब्रेसलेट्स बनाते थे। It has a very nostalgic, like I don't know.
बिल्कुल वो बन गया सेट जो
मांग रहा था गाना,
कोई लग रहा है कि ये तो जगह होगी।
जगह होगी।
And then the idea was that Sajad Ali will be inside a room, and his room, his space will have multiple elements of his life.
उन्होंने उस विंडो से इतनी जिंदगियां देखी हैं, हर ऊंच नीच, दुख, गम, खुशी, सब कुछ उन्होंने देखा हुआ है। अब वो फिर दुनिया को बता रहे हैं, दुनिया को होप दे रहे हैं, जो उन्होंने सीखा, जो उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस किया। तो ये एक तरह से असल में भी सजाद अली को देखें तो असल में भी वो यही है।
This is my spot. Not a bad spot at all. This Coke Studio है। जो बैक एंड पे हो रहा है वो ज़्यादा बिगर स्केल पे चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं, जो कि शायद लोगों को हम दिखते हैं पर असल में होते ये लोग जो मेहनत करते हैं और इस तरह रात दिन लगा के चीज़ को रेडी करते हैं।
The song is मेरी गल्ती I'll be singing बहुत ऊपर है।
सजाद अली उनका बड़ा मेन कैरेक्टर है। उनका ये है कि एक एक्सपीरियंस इंसान, वो एक अपनी स्पेस में बैठा हुआ है विंडो के सामने, जिसने उस विंडो से लोगों की दुनिया देखी हुई है।
5 decades of Sajad, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, 2010s, अभी इनकी 6th decade है। कौन सा जॉनरा नहीं किया।
ये बेसिक कि वो ओवर टाइम आई थिंक 20 साल के बाद मिल रही और ही स्टिल लुक्स द सेम, सो टाइम हैज नॉट डन एनीथिंग टू हिम, इट इज ब्यूटीफुल।
अब इसकी फिट देख लेते हैं बस।
Yes, we're building a character. Yes, there's a narrative, but at the same time, you have to keep in mind that what he is, costume na lage. And I'm so happy that when I saw him on screen, he looked like himself, but he also looked like the part.
My dadi in particular used to listen to him a lot. So I remember when I used to sit at our house and like we used to have like breakfast or lunch as a kid, like his music would be playing at the back and she would be singing Suno Suno. That level of skill is just incredible. Legendary is the word that I would use.
Boss. All of us in the house, we call him boss because अब हम इतने बड़े हो गए कि उन्हें डैडी या पापा तो कह नहीं सकते। So we call him boss because he is our boss. हमने सब कुछ इन्हीं से ही सीखा है।
सजाद भाई की बड़ी वैल्यू है एक्चुअली में। मैं पीटीवी के ऊपर इंतज़ार करता होता था, म्यूज़िक वीडियो से बड़ा मैं इंस्पायर होता था कि यार ये क्या इसके अंदर मिस्ट्री है, क्या चीज़ है।
स्टाइलिंग के भी 5 decades देखे चीज़ है।
और अब मैं उनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ तो काफ़ी एक ओवरवेलमिंग सी आई थिंक सिचुएशन है।
जो मेरी अगली जनरेशन थी उन सब के साथ काम कर पा रहा हूँ और कि अभी तक इन लोगों के लिए रेलेवेंट हूँ, तो ये अच्छी बात है। रब मान जाएगा ते आप पे सारे मान जाएंगे।
जी तो चाहता है लेकिन सोच ये सताती है, बात जो नहीं भी होती दुनिया बनाती है।
अच्छी आवाज़ है, एक उनकी ऐसी टाइप की आवाज़ है कि जिसके लिए स्पेशली कंपोज किया जा सकता है कुछ के, और वो उसमें पूरी फील है, उसके अंदर एक वार्मथ है उनकी आवाज़ में।
चांद पे निशाना है रास्ते में आने वाली।
I used to say that, you know, Farheen, you have a voice of a generation. These kind of voices do not come.
वो ऐसा टेक्सचर है कि वो आपको एक्चुअली ना किसी और जगह पे ले जाता है।
वो इतने दिल से गाती है. So I've seen her process because that's what she has always been. She has always wanted to achieve more. She didn't even study to be a designer, but she worked her way up. You know, she wanted to be a singer. She took lessons. She's classically trained. You know, she did everything that she can. So doing this is just amazing.
I don't think I can put it into words. Like, I honestly don't know. It was such a big dream for me to be sitting over here. आपने ख्वाहिश की होती है फिर वो पूरी होती है, तो उसके बाद आपको नहीं पता होता कि अच्छा इसके आगे क्या है. Right now I'm in that process. Thank you everyone. Thank you Saibal ji. I think उन moments को जीना पूरी तरह से वो हम भूल जाते हैं. And to be honest, I have been that person. I used to be very impatient. I have learned a lot of patience. Sorry, I'm gonna get emotional, but yeah. Chaliye साथ. जब वो पार्ट आता है कि नहीं डरना नहीं. In life we get in places or situations where we just don't know what's ahead. एक रात के बाद सुबह होती है. आई गेस हम जब एक डार्क जिंदगी में उस अंधेरी जगह पर होते हैं जहाँ पे आपको नहीं आगे कुछ दिखता. आई गेस यू जस्ट हैव टू कीप गोइंग. आई थिंक द सॉन्ग ब्यूटिफुली एक्सप्लेन्स दैट. यू डू गेट थ्रू.
चल चलिए हुन नदिया दे उस पार. Take that leap of faith, you know, just go somewhere where you know life is more fruitful. I was on set yesterday and we were doing the sound check. I could see कि कोई ना कोई इसी बात से relate कर रहा है.
असल में ये एवोल्यूशन तो पहले ही इससे पहले वाले सीजन में हमने देख लिया. अब स्केल और बड़ा हो गया. हम इसका पार्ट हैं, बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. ये ज़रूर हो गया कि बार्स हम पुश किए जा रहे हैं.
हमने कल्चरली ना रिस्ट्रिक्शन को वैल्यू करना शुरू कर दिया है, तो हम लिबरेशन को वैल्यू नहीं देते. तो आई फेल्ट जनरेशनल. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाउ वी नीड टू लेट गो ऑफ इट, एंड इट शुड कम फ्रॉम अ फादर फिगर, ताकि उस जनरेशनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को एड्रेस किया जाए. देन आई फेल्ट सजाद अली बीइंग दैट फादर फिगर saying this to Farheen. So it's coming from that generation. And what is he saying? चल चलिए हुन नदिया दे उस पार. काफ़ी हो गई यार. ऐसी बातें हैं जो कि हम सब अपनी लाइफ में जानना चाहते हैं, जस्ट टू मूव ऑन समटाइम्स. और मूव ऑन तो समटाइम्स क्या, किसी ना किसी चीज़ से आप हर वक्त ही मूव ऑन कर रहे होते. सो द सॉन्ग इज अबाउट दैट.
आई थिंक क्रक्स इस गाने का यही है कि जस्ट डोंट गिव अप. यू बी रेजिलिएंट. यू कीप गोइंग. No matter what happens, चीज़ें बेहतरी के लिए हमेशा होंगी और होती रहेंगी इंशाल्लाह.
So wonderful.
Very nice. She really made me tear up.
Yeah.
Just loved her energy completely. Okay. Why this song reminded me so much when I first heard it of that, you know, like there are defining moments sometimes, you know, and that conversation on a street for me is one of those in my life, which, you know, you can like put a pin in it and keep coming back to it over and over in your life because someone came out of somewhere and just said something to you that helped you steer yourself through your life, you know?
Correct, yeah.
So I feel like that is the intent and message of this song as well, like to just give that little piece of um aged wisdom, pass it on to someone else so they can then take that and hopefully, you know.
So the whole generational thing that they're talking about, like, you know, like I loved what they spoke, that that liberation cannot always just happen from the youth, because normally liberation is always associated with youth energy, right? कि जो,
breaking
you know,
free
the
of
younger
the-
ones, they are the ones who are going to bring that change and ye and wo. The onus of it is never also given to the older generation, that actually the change, till they don't begin it, it doesn't come easier for the younger ones then.
Yeah,
But if they
yeah.
begin it, actually
it
it's a much smoother
flows.
transition that can happen. So that one element, no, was very beautifully and subtly explained in the BTS. Like in the song and in the video, I did not get that. Once they said that, you know, कि उसके हर element में, like even कपड़े wise, अलग-अलग generations के कपड़े सबने पहने हुए हैं. अलग-अलग generation के, अब वहाँ पे वो जो उन्होंने cameras का progression दिखाया था, एक particular
I
screen
love,
में.
oh,
So उसमें भी that, you know, कि 3-4 generations, like decades का अलग-अलग versions पड़े हुए हैं. So that whole
like a visual
progression
time
which they
lapse.
spoke about, correct, correct. That, you know, and the whole idea that he's sitting from his room and he has seen the world grow up and pass. So different people that he views, and like, you know, so the way वो BTS में समझाया है, that's just gorgeous.
Yeah.
Like, you know, the whole intent of it and the feeling of it. This particular song, I really feel कि अगर इसका BTS गाना सुनने से पहले देखा होता, तो उस गाने का impact बहुत अलग होता.
This
But
is one of
without the
those
BTS,
songs.
it's one of those songs, and it's a singular one of those, because in most
Yeah.
songs it is preferable to first listen to the song, so that, you know, one is fully, like, you know, uncolored, like, you know, from the intention of it,
The
and you
preface,
get to experience it firsthand. यहाँ पे I think that flip also would be nice, you know, to
Yeah.
experience it, what it would mean after that.
Yeah.
Because somewhere I also feel कि wisdom by itself, कोई भी दे रहा हो, wisdom by itself has that nature of someone much more knowledgeable telling you. And mostly we associate that with someone elder, you know? So I don't know, interesting. But all this, what they spoke, did not come across to me. Like, I know you got it. Like, you know, for you, you were
After
feeling
multiple
that
listens, I
elderly.
got it stronger than the first
हाँ.
listen.
Yeah.
That way.
Like, to me, it was more than a inner, like, you know, max I would go towards a inner this thing. Like a inner, कि आपको, हाँ, like कोई wisdom वाली बात आप पढ़ते हो या किसी से सुनते हो या, you know, कुछ ऐसा होता है. But हाँ, but for sure, like इसका BTS truly makes it complete.
Yeah, that's true. I would, you know, firstly that camera, the 3 cameras that they had, I literally just saved those 3 and kept them in my box when I was packing at home. I was like, oh, no, these are our old cameras. We can't throw them. Like I wanted to put them up in my new home whenever that happens. But
Correct.
but there is that whole visual, like that like timeline का time lapse जो दिखा रहे थे and जो intent था video में, वो पहले watch में हमें नहीं समझ आया. So I feel like in a song like this, yes, I actually listened to it multiple times over this week because I was like, I don't want to lose my thoughts, or, you know, I need, because we're going to get to the magical journey next week. So somewhere I don't want to have forgotten the song when we actually get to it. So to stay in that field, so that's when I was like, okay, I feel like this is that. And I kept, after the first listen also, and then all the multiple listens, I kept going back to that one conversation I highlighted in my life. Of course, I've had those kind of conversations with my parents as well, but you know, it is, and you know what it also reminded me of is, you know, जब फिल्मों में हमें दादी वाले कैरेक्टर दिखाते हैं और वो और वो अपने ग्रैंडचाइल्ड को ऐसा कुछ बोल देती है कि जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, you know, that type of situation है. वो जो freedom फिर वो ग्रैंडचाइल्ड में आती है कि दादी ने बोल दिया तो I can live my life, you know. Now no one can stop me. Parents,
I'm Simran now.
go.
Yes.
Yeah. So that when that comes from that elderly figure, it immediately gives you that boost in a way to, you know. So I think that's what kind of the crux of it was. And I really like seeing Sajad Ali's and the whole background and how everyone also just like is in awe of him and looks up to him, and also his evergreen essence. I feel like that comes so much from humility. Like humility has its own energy, I feel, because if you are inherently a humble person and there's no pretense about that humility, it's just who you are, then wo sabko uski energy feel hogi. And probably that's one of the big reasons for his, you know, supremely long lasting, I mean, 6 decade. What? You know, people fade out over time, and so many, even like really great singers and
A
all.
lot of people even get burnt out.
Yeah,
Like, you know,
that
when
also
you've been trying
happens.
to keep up a, I don't want to call it a pretense, but when you're trying to keep up a certain life and you're trying to
Yeah.
keep up a whatever, and you know, and that life is different from your real life, then after a point it gets very exhausting as well.
Yeah, especially a
I love
creative
how
life.
he said कि मैं तो
हाँ,
ऐसा ही हूँ, मैं तो ऐसा ही रहूंगा, because
हाँ,
like he's so authentically himself in the
so
true
authentic.
sense of the word.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And especially with creatives, because it does burn you out. You are not going to a 9 to 5 job where you just clock in, clock out, do your task for the day
Correct,
and
correct,
leave. You're
correct.
creating, you're constantly in that like pushing yourself wala zone. So the burnout is more probable, quicker. But
Yeah.
again, what he said, I take my work as my hobby, as my,
Yeah.
thing. That's also like, because you take it so lightly. And it made me remember this quote I've read somewhere where you as an artist, your work has to be the most important thing in the world for you to chase excellence, but it also has to be the least important thing in the world for you to chase sanity.
Correct.
So
Fully.
that I completely got when he said that, that he is excellent also because he doesn't take it seriously, but he also takes it seriously.
Yeah.
And hence
Like when
he's
I kept
fast.
looking at him, I was like, he clearly looks like someone who has a very full life
Yes.
besides voice,
Yes.
yeah, you know, like just his voice and the
Just
work with
his-
his voice.
Yeah.
So the moment one has a very full life, फिर आप किसी एक चीज को इतना weightage नहीं देते.
Exactly.
You know, तो इतना heaviness, and
It's
that's
play.
the lightness of it.
Yeah.
That
yeah.
it's one of the lighter things because there's so much else also in
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
So that balance is what kind of gorgeous.
And that's such an important lesson for every artist to take from him,
Seriously.
because people go
Seriously.
insane as artists. They think that इससे सब कुछ है और ये नहीं है तो मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ,
Yes.
And that also comes, not just artists, but people in general. They think their work defines them in the world, but there's so much
Yeah.
more. Your work is something you do to pay your bills and live, and feel that purposeful this thing. But there are other things, and you have you seen Ted Lasso? Ted Lasso,
Yes.
you've seen now.
Yes.
Usme
Yeah.
when he's retiring, what's the captain's name? The main character, the
Bruce
angry
Willis.
character. I forget. Rob? No. What is his name? Anyway, so he's about to retire, and it's such a difficult decision for him. And his girlfriend brings his niece, and she's like, "What do you see him as?" And she says everything except footballer. So she's like, "Do you realize that the people who love you actually view
Yeah,
you
they
as
love-
everything else? This cool uncle, this funny man, this guy who you're not just a footballer. Even if you let that one thing go and you retire, you are so many more things." So
Correct.
anyway, very important life lessons. I will, I really want to talk about Farheen as well. She was this thing, I related a lot to her, this thing, because she's been trained to be a designer, but she just wanted to do it. It's also something I've done. So I was looking at the karigars working and I'm like, oh God, I have been there.
I was
You
looking
also-
at that same thing. I have sat in
Can't
factories
relate.
getting
Yes,
productions
same,
done, right?
same.
And I
High
have
five.
I was looking at her and going like, and वो भी कपड़े का
बस-
काम, and I'm like, हाँ, and I was remembering how, there used to be thaks and thaks of it in like really tall, like warehouses with really tall ceilings. And we would
Yeah.
climb up on the kapda, like, to hunt
To
for the
get the-
right kind of fabric and the right kind
Yeah.
of, so we would be like deep into that, and suddenly like sneezes and all that is happening way before mask ka time. I'd be like wearing masks because otherwise after a while,
दुपट्टा।
वो जो कपड़ा कटने का जो वो smell
Yeah.
होता है ना, that is so
और उसके
tangy
वो
and it's
रेशे
the
रेशे आते-
same smell,
yes.
yeah, but it gets to you after a while. And I was allergies are all happening, but still you're looking, just looking at her
Listen,
work intensely took me to that.
yes, when I was
Yeah.
watching her sitting with the karigar and doing that whole embroidery thing on that, I was remembering my
Juju.
days as, yeah, because I have gone into the gullies of Hauz Khas and where else you cannot imagine, and Shahpur Jat, sorry, and just sat with the karigars ek terrace pe upar, itni garmi mein, Delhi ki garmi mein, and I've sat with them and watched them make the things. It is just, it was so like, I was resonating so much her everything she was saying. And she to made me cry also because she just sounded, and her voice texture, everything that was said about it, 100% agree. It's just like, here's a person who doesn't let any sort of limitation get in her way. If she wants to do something, she'll just go and do it. There's
Yeah.
the only thing stopping herself is you, and she doesn't let herself stop herself. And that sort of intent in a person is so beautiful to see. Just
Yeah.
to live your life completely. I won't be boxed into one thing. I will just do whatever my heart, gets
Looking
pulled
so
to.
happy to be there. She
Yeah.
was looking like
Her
so,
energy was so amazingly warm.
yeah,
and-
her emotions to me were more contagious than anything else. Like you're saying, no, like her energy, like you were vibing with the
Yeah,
energy. To me, it was more her emotions. Like when she was crying, I was like looking at her and I
Because
was
of that.
feeling that emotion, even if
Yes.
like outside ka things like weren't. And
Yeah.
I was just like, okay,
She
हाँ,
totally sent me over the edge this time.
yeah.
I was like, girl, can I just give you a hug? Yes, us, bro, us moments are happening. So lovely. And again, hats off to the art director and team, because they created a lovely world. And I didn't realize, but yes, the musicians were travelers, because they walked in with their bags and वो ही
Yeah.
हमें वो feel आ रही थी.
That's the You spoke about it also vaguely. No, remember that whole train scene, and we were like, probably the musicians are coming from the train and then like settling in वहाँ पे. Wasn't the train का first scene?
I
in
don't
this
even, I don't
song only?
remember.
I think it was.
It was the train
हाँ,
का shadow
हाँ,
scene वो था.
Yeah.
I don't remember saying that, but okay, so they were travelers, very nice. And I just, yeah, what a beautiful so his son was also in this, Sajad Ali's son,
Yes, correct.
which a lot of people pointed out in the comments. Thank you
In the-
everyone for telling
yeah,
us.
yeah.
Yeah, we did not notice that, but great legacy.
And I
is being
also loved,
passed on.
so all these songs, like all the releases, I've been thinking that वो जो Coke Studio Sound of Nation जो लिखा हुआ आता है,
Yeah.
Sound of Nation वाला,
Art
I
Rajwans.
thought. So I thought it was a projected spot, which
I
they
also
were just
thought.
using the slide and projecting it, and it's hand painted.
Painted. Yes. I thought वो projector था as well.
मुझे लगा हाँ,
When
like,
I saw him painting it, I was
very
like,
nicely
what?
done.
See?
That art is another thing which is slowly going away. जो पहले
Hmm.
wall painting का art होता था ना, पहले जो फिल्में
Yes.
release होती थी, तो right from the
Poster
poster to
बनाने का.
everything used to be painted on. And then slowly, it went to paper, now it's gone to flex, and now it's gone to like, LED and like everything. But that art, it has something, it's magical. तो
Yeah.
वो भी कितनी generational चीज है, जो
Yeah.
उन्होंने BTS में उसको paint करते हुए दिखाया, I was like, वाह, like it was just too good.
It was just too good. I loved it. इसे बहुत emotional कर दिया इस BTS ने. BTS actually hit me harder, but
Same.
है ना?
Yes.
It hit me
Yeah.
much harder
Yeah.
this time. So I think that is also possible, a learning for us also. And yeah, I just feel like the messaging of the song is very important. That let's place a lot of emphasis on liberation and how I think that is kind of also an overarching sort of essence of the season also. Like, in Magrola, how everyone's breaking free and dancing at the end. That's also
Yeah.
happening in Harkale at the end where they're dancing. So I feel like
Yeah.
there's a lot of like, just let go and be free, is a very
Mhm.
nice like theme that I'm kind of seeing a little common thread.
Correct.
Yeah. So yay, lovely. Thank you, Coke Studio. And now the next song has released. Yes, we are going to get to it in this session only. So we'll get to that now. We can't wait. And take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.